So where do I start here? Because I actually never used a detangler for my beard, nor did I ever think that there was such thing called beard detangler. I got a product from SheaMoisture for men, and I'm basically going to apply this product into my beard so I can just basically see if my beard is actually going to feel and be detangled. Let's do it. If you guys are new, subscribe down to the channel down below. If you guys are returning, give the video a big thumbs up and share it with someone that needs help with their beard care. Thank you. So beard detangler, I never used it. Have you? Put in the comment section down below. Let me know. I thought I would need a detangler because naturally my hair is pretty coarse and I thought that's just how it should go. But I even heard about beard straighteners. I was just like, whoa, son, I don't think I'm gonna do that, but hey, what does it say for us here? The Shea Butter combines with a smoothing formula that provides great slip to ease out knots without tugging. Interesting. It's coming off like some thick substance. So in my hand it goes, rub it in my hand and slap this on. Smells really good. It smells like almond. It feels very soft in my beard. It's like cream. No problem so far. So I realized what's really good for beards is that when you apply beard oil, beard wash, beard conditioning oil, at the end of the day, you have to get it deep down into the roots because this is where everything starts. Deep down there, deep down in the roots. So put it into the beard, massage it well, and follow the next step. So now I'm gonna get my pick comb and actually just start picking up my beard, and we're gonna see the magic detangle. When I put the comb into my beard, I usually don't rip it out. I usually just gently just press up, and then naturally over time, it just detangles the beard a lot more easier. I realized when I put the comb in my hair and I kind of just rip it out, I'm just damaging my hair. My hair becomes a lot more sensitive after that, so I just take my time with it. So I put it into my beard and I just raise it up a bit. That's it. Nothing crazy. Feels like it detangled pretty well. You can see within my pick of my comb shows you that maybe this is actually working out for me. So that being said, I'm actually gonna look into the camera a little more and just sit up close and then show you guys the angles of where it possibly was detangled. You guys let me know what you guys think because I want you guys' feedback on this. Does my beard look detangled? Does it look different? One thing I noticed about my beard is how easy it is to pick out, because for me, my hair is actually very, very coarse. Even the top of my head, like my hair is coarse. Like if I grew an afro, it's not easy to like pick out. But the fact that my beard is actually susceptible to just going like that, that's pretty amazing, man. The beard detangler, man, it's working. As it says, softens hair, eases out the knots, looks good, smells great. And that's what it did for me, man. I'm happy with this. Beard detangler by SheaMoisture. That should be an ad. If you guys are entertained by this video, if you guys want to see more of these type of beard videos, put in the comment section down below. I'll basically be reviewing all you guys' reviews, answering you guys' questions. Make sure you guys subscribe down to the channel, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you guys can stay updated with the latest content that I do drop on Arccway. Thank you guys yet again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.